Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Tech2. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can change Netflix language on a laptop when you don't understand. So where you need to go is, let's go all the way to your top right corner and then go to account. Once you are over here, on your left hand side you will be having profile option. Just go over there and then go up and down and choose your profile, whichever you have, and over here you can see the language option. So you go over here and then first one, display language. Just choose your language from here. You can choose anyone that you know, Spanish, Italiano, or anything, Filipino, Dutch, anything, and then go all the way down until you find the save option. Just press on it and then your language will be changed. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.